Polyboard includes a large range of Hettich drawer, door and panel assembly systems ready for use. Here we're going to present the highly customisable AvanTech YOU drawer system, which includes flexible options for the drawer sides. We've got a simple kitchen cabinet unit set up here with 3 types of AvanTech YOU drawers already added. At the top with black and LED side panels, then with mosaic and then with leather side panels, and space for 2 more. Polyboard includes the drawer specifications within its manufacturing methods. To add a new drawer, we select the appropriate method. Then add the number of drawers we want. First, we're adding a single AvanTech YOU drawer with a glass side panel, and then another single drawer, this time with a copper side panel. We're going to change the carcass to a partially transparent material now. This is so you can see the drawer hardware in the cabinet. So here we're changing the carcass to a special generic material that is partially transparent. Unlike a typical CAD package, Polyboard works on parametric principles. This means we can now simply resize the carcass and all parts will automatically resize, and that includes the drawer components. The cutting list and plans for the cabinet and all components are instantly available and dynamically updated as you edit your project. With your favourite drawer system already built in, this makes the design to production process very fast and error-free. Thanks very much for watching.